Alta Sierra is a great little grass valley gem just off the 49. It's the perfect blend of managed forest and tranquil neighborhood. And it's got great amenities like this 5-star Trailblazer pizza and craft brews. And we're only 10 minutes from downtown and just about 5 minutes from today's property. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
And what a property. This immaculately cared for home is adorable, but make sure you stick around for the breathtaking landscape. First, let's go see inside. Welcome to 17225 Lawrence Way. Though it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, it's got a bonus room downstairs that could be a 3rd bedroom. Plus, with the flowing open floor plan, high ceilings, and abundant natural light, it feels so much more spacious. I love the size of this primary. With tons of room, plus a generous walk-in closet and updated bathroom, you're gonna love it. And check out this bonus room. It could be used as a secondary entertaining area or a 3rd bedroom, even with its own slider to the yard. La pièce de résistance, a rare, usable acre in the middle of Alta Sierra with mature fruit trees, a gorgeous pond, and even a year-round running creek through it. Contact me today. Let's get you into this stunning and magical property. But make sure you stick it.
And
Call me today. I mean, I do want to know. Call me. Let's get you into this property.